Hi everyone! Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating digital books or e-books using Canva. Isa ka rin ba dun sa mga nagtatanong, ano ba yung e-book? Or pwede ka ba akong gumawa ng sarili kong e-book? Paano ba gumawa ng e-book? Lahat ng katanungan na yan sasagutin ng inyong lingkod. I'm Wei, joining with this exciting designing e-books and PDF in Canva tutorial. So, watch this video until the end because I make sure that this will be very fruitful for you. Let's get started. Ang e-book o electronic book ay isang digital form of text that you can read on screens or handheld devices. Hindi rin ito pwedeng baguhin tulad ng isang physical na libro. E-books are stored as digital files. Kaya madali siyang i-share at basahin sa mga computer, tablet, or e-reader. They adjust to fit any screen size without compromising content. There are two types of e-books. Unahin na natin is yung reflowable, mostly text with minimal images. Ideal for novels, text-heavy content. Pangalawa, fixed format. Maintains precise layout. For example, children's books or graphic-heavy works. Kung ang reflowable ay mas maraming text, ang fixed format naman ay mas maraming graphics. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng isang mabilisang benefits ng e-books. First, cost-effective, walang gastos sa pag-print, accessible to a wider audience, convenience, read anytime, anywhere on devices, customization, adjust font size, background color, and more, environmentally friendly, saves paper and resources, multimedia elements, maaari ka maglagay ng video, audio, or interactive features, accessibility features, text-to-speech, adjust fonts, para sa mga visually impaired na mga mambabasa. Portability, pwede kang magdala ng isaang buong library in one device. Sabi, no? Kung may benefit, syempre, meron ding limitation, eye strain o yung pangangalay ng mata. Device dependence, license restriction, lack of tangibility or physical na aspeto. Now we're heading to the detailed step-by-step guide how to create an ebook using Canva. Likewise, you have to open up Canva application, whether it's on the phone, tablet, or on your desktop. Sa mga wala pang application, mag-download na at mag-sign up using your Gmail account. On the home page, i-click lang ang Create Design button. Sa search bar, i-type ang ebook at piliin ang ebook templates that suits your need. Canva provides a variety of professionally designed templates to choose from. The template will open in the Canva editor. Start with the cover page. I-click ang mga text box para i-edit ang title, subtitle, at pangalan ng author. Pwede mong palitan ang style, size, at kulay ng font mula sa toolbar sa itaas. To add images, click on Elements tab on the left-hand side or upload your own images by clicking on the Uploads tab. Drag and drop the image into place. To add a new page, click on the Add New Page located below the current page in the editor. Pwede rin gumamit ng duplicate button na makikita sa itaas ng canvas mo. Then, just repeat the process by adding new pages and customizing them as needed. Pwede mo rin i-arrange ang mga pages depende sa kung anong pagkakasunod-sunod na gusto mo o kailangan mo. Ang gawin mo lang is i-drag ang mga ito and make sure that your content flows logically and that each section or chapter starts on a new page. To add page numbers, click on the text tab. Choose a text box and place it at the bottom of each page. For headers and footers, you can use the same method by placing text boxes at the top or bottom of each page with relevant information such as chapter titles or ebook titles. Go through each page to check for any errors or necessary adjustment. Siguraduhin maayos ang pagkaka-align ng lahat ng images at nababasa ng maayos ang mga text. Pag satisfied ka na sa iyong ebook, i-click ang download button sa top right corner of the screen, piliin ang file type na gusto mo. Inire-recommend ako is yung PDF standard para sa ebook at i-click ang download. I-save ang file sa iyong computer or sa iyong drive. You can now upload your ebook to your website, share it via email, or publish it on ebook platform. Promote your ebook on social media or other channels to reach a wider audience. Creating an ebook with Canva is a straightforward and enjoyable process. With Canva's user-friendly interface and diverse design tools, you can produce a professional and visually appealing ebook in no time. So sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, ang ebooks ay isa ring types of digital products na pwede mong pagkakataan by sharing your knowledge or your expertise. Speaking of expertise, I want to invite you to visit my Rocket PH or my coffee shop and avail my original creation of Canva templates and services that you can use for personal or for your printing business. Maka-online man yan or physical print shop. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more Canva tutorial. Happy designing and your way. Ciao.